Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn it.
In Rocinha, getting ready to see the World Cup. He's gonna tell us about this area where. Pode passar, sem problema.
Pode
Pode
passar,
passar,
não tem
pode
problema.
passar. Fica,
Pode
não.
passar.
Yeah, one of the residents don't want to be in the film. So Carlington's, he's hosting us here. He's gonna tell us about this area where they've like painted for a World Cup and decorated. So Carlington's letting me film everything. He's got permission for us to film.